Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Step In. Today in this video we are going to see the introduction and the summary of the chapter Indigo. This is the fifth chapter in 12th standard English course. The chapter Indigo is going to assist you in learning about the chapter in a summarized version. Indigo is all about how Mahatma Gandhi ji struggled for the underprivileged peasants of Champaran. They were the sharecroppers with the British planters. The peasants used to live a wretched life and were under an argument to grow indigo. As Bihar as the landlord system back then, it worsened their condition. Thus, Gandhi decided to fight against injustice. He waged a war which lasted for a year to tackle the discrimination and got justice for the peasants. After that, it helped the peasants become courageous and aware of their fundamental rights. Moreover, Gandhiji did not just work to tackle political or economical issues, but he also took up social issues. He worked to provide them with good education, health, hygiene, and taught them self-confidence. The detailed summary of the chapter Indigo. This story is set in 1916, where Gandhi steps up to help a bunch of poor peasants from Champaran. It gives an account of how he struggled to bring them justice and equality. Thus, it begins with most of the arable land of Champaran that divides into a large estate. The owner of the estate are Englishmen and the workers are Indian tenants. We learn that the chief commercial crop on this land is indigo. Moreover, we also see that the landlords compel the tenants to plant 15% of their indigo and submit the whole hours in the form of rent. The tenants are under a long-term agreement to do so. However, Germany starts developing synthetic indigo. Thus, the British do not require the indigo crop anymore. Thus, in order to release the poor peasants from their agreement of 15%, they start demanding compensation. While some of the uneducated persons agreed on this, the other did not agree. We notice that one of the sharecroppers, Rajkumar Shukla, arranges for a meeting with Gandhiji. He meets him for the same issues and insists Gandhi to visit the place to end the long-lasting injustice. Gandhiji agrees and boards a train to Patna in Bihar. After that, Rajkumar Shukla helps Gandhiji visit the house of Rajendra Prasad, a lawyer. As Gandhi dresses simply, the servants thought of him to be a poor peasant. Thus, Gandhiji planned before trying to get the peasants any justice. It is because the British government is punishing anyone who is keeping national leaders or protesters. When Gandhiji arrived in the place, the news of his arrival and mission spread across the town like wildfire. This resulted in a lot of lawyers and peasants groups pouring in large number in his support. Consequently, the lawyers did accept that the charges are quite high and too unreasonable for a poor peasant. However, Gandhiji was criticizing them for collecting huge fees from the sharecroppers. He was emphasizing on counseling, as this will provide the peasants with confidence to fight their fear. Thus, he manages to get justice after a year-long fight for the peasants. He has also arranged for the education, health, and hygiene for the families of the poor peasants. Finally, he teaches them a lesson of self-sufficiency and self-confidence. Conclusion of the chapter Indigo. To sum up Indigo summary, we learn how Gandhiji did not merely helping in freeing India, but was always working for the betterment of his countrymen from the very start. Thank you. For more videos of 9th standard to 12th standard CBSE English, do subscribe my channel Step In. Thank you.